Let me tell you a story. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away, I found myself exploring a different planet altogether. Though it had some similarities to where I am from, but a lot about it was different. Way too different. I don't know how I got there, but I'm trying to find my way back ever since. What stopped me was my own world. You see, in search of a better life, better home, better facilities, I forgot that better is not always meaningful. I recently realized that my world was running tirelessly without breaks for thousands of years. I experienced a same feeling there. Just for a day or two, it was different. Way too different. And then one day, when my world stopped, everything went silent. But that silence was haunting, not like the one I experienced over here. I never knew silence had a meaning. The vast empty landscapes were different too. Everything I know is falling apart here. And that's when I was reminded of this place. What was it about this place that drew me and still does? It did not need me. I did. Why? I look around now, and maybe I understand the reason.